The Lewis Clark Interpretive Center recently won a prestigious award from the Governor's Office for Tourism.
We are the Tourism Destination of the Year for 2024. We were selected over every other tourism destination in Montana. The center brings over 50,000 people here every year, and that doesn't even include the school children who come for extended learning in history and the natural sciences.
Not only does the Lewis and Clark Interpretive Center provide ample education to children in the area as well as visitors, but it also means it helps to bring in money to the economy through visitors going to hotels, restaurants, and other attractions.
If you go to places like TripAdvisor and say, what is there to do in Great Falls, we will always show up number one. I think we stand out from a lot of the others because we do try to expand on education as well as telling the story of Lewis and Clark.
Currently in its 26th year of operation, the center owes a lot to its staff.
Our staff is primarily made up of some incredible people who volunteer their time, which is, of course, the best and most precious gift they can give us. When you have a building like this where you learn the history from beginning to end, it's absolutely amazing. It's a treasure.
In Great Falls, I'm James Erlin, MTN News.